work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone, and that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or have been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to make you happy. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.